What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Capital One High Yield Savings Account. The Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account is a high-yield savings account that offers a competitive rate of 4.35% APY with no monthly or maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements. The account can be opened online through the Capital One mobile app or at Capital One branch or cafe, and it takes about 5 minutes to open. The account offers mobile check deposits, easy account transfers, and an automatic savings plan to help users grow their savings. It is FDIC insured, meaning individuals benefit from protection for up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. The account is best for people who want a convenient way to earn a competitive rate with no maintenance or monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements, and who want access to their savings through a highly rated mobile app. Now, let's talk about some of its key features. Capital One's 360 Performance Savings Account offers a competitive interest rate of 4.35% APY, which is higher than the national average and competitive with other online-only banks and credit unions. This means that users can earn more interest on their savings compared to traditional savings accounts offered by brick-and-mortar banks. The higher interest rate can help users grow their savings faster and reach their financial goals sooner. Capital One's savings account, including the 360 Performance Savings Account, don't charge monthly fees or require minimum balances, allowing users to keep more of their money and avoid penalties for low balances. This means that users can start saving with a small amount of money and not have to worry about paying fees or maintaining a minimum balance. This can especially be beneficial for people who are just starting to build their savings or have limited funds. Capital One savings accounts, including the 360 Performance Savings Account, provide FDIC insurance up to the allowable limits, protecting users' money in the unlikely event of bank failure. This means that user savings are insured up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank, which can provide peace of mind and protect user savings from unexpected events. Capital One savings accounts offer automatic savings plan options, allowing users to set up automatic transfers from one of their other bank accounts, such as their checking account, at a frequency they choose, making it easier to save without having to think about it. This means that users can automate their savings and make sure that they are consistently saving a certain amount of money each month without having to manually transfer the funds. This can help users build their savings faster and reach their financial goals sooner. Capital One offers online and mobile banking services, allowing users to open a 360 Performance Savings Account in as little as 5 minutes and manage their savings account online or through Capital One mobile app, providing the convenience of both physical and online banks. This means that users can access their savings account from anywhere at any time and manage their money on their own terms. The mobile app also offers features such as mobile check deposit, account alerts, and account transfers, making it easy to manage their savings on the go. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of Capital One's 360 Performance Savings Account is the limited physical branch access compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. While users can open and manage their account online or through the mobile app, those who prefer in-person banking services may find the lack of physical branches inconvenient for certain transactions or services that requires face-to-face interactions. Another drawback is the account's transaction limits. Federal regulations limit certain types of withdrawals and transfers from savings accounts to 6 per statement cycle. Exceeding these limits may result in fees or the account being converted to a checking account, which could impact users who need frequent access to their funds or make more than 6 transactions in a month. The interest rate on the 360 Performance Savings Account is variable and subject to change based on market conditions. While Capital One strives to offer competitive rates, fluctuations in the economy or banking industry could lead to changes in the interest rate over time. This means that the rate return on savings may not remain constant, potentially affecting the overall growth of savings over the long terms. Capital One's 360 Performance Savings Account offers a competitive interest rate, no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, FDIC insurance, automatic savings plan options, and mobile app online banking services. However, users should be aware of potential drawbacks such as limited physical branch access, transaction limits, and interest rate fluctuations. Overall, the account can be a convenient and effective way to grow savings and reach financial goals, but users should consider their individual needs and preferences when choosing a savings account. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.